Douchebag. A rude or obnoxious person who often acts in a selfish or arrogant manner. Example: John was being such a douchebag when he cut in front of everyone at the checkout line. Vandal. Someone who deliberately damages property or public spaces. Example: the vandals spray-painted graffiti all over the school walls last night. Yes man. A person who agrees with everything their boss. Example: everyone in the office knows Jake is just a yes man. He never challenges the boss's ideas. Dingbat. A silly or stupid person. Example: she forgot to bring her keys again. What a dingbat. Spoilsport. Someone who ruins the fun for others. Example: don't be such a spoilsport. Let's play one more round of the game. Stuck up. Someone who thinks they are better than others, arrogant. Example: she won't even talk to us because she's too stuck up. Racist. A person who believes one race is superior to others. Example: nobody wants to be around him because he's a racist. Psycho. A person who behaves in a crazy or violent way. Example: stay away from that guy, he's a total psycho when he gets angry. Phony. A fake person who pretends to be something they are not. Example: she acts like she's rich, but everyone knows she's just a phony. Slacker. Someone who avoids work or responsibilities. Example: the boss is mad because Jake is such a slacker and never finishes his tasks. Moron. Someone who is very stupid. Example: I can't believe I locked my keys in the car again. I feel like such a moron. Punk. A young troublemaker or rebellious person. Example: the neighborhood punks were caught throwing eggs at cars last night. Scoundrel. A dishonest person, often used humorously. Example: you little scoundrel. I knew you ate the last cookie. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.